welcome back to our channel. Little Hands by Vaishvik
and Srinithi.
Today we're going to make Valentine cards for our parents. Let's get started.
I'm going to make a Valentine's card for my mom. First, you need a paper and you have to fold it. You have to draw one heart, one lips, and cut it. I'm going to cut it.
So I am making a bear card for my dad. So first you need to fold it like this. And then fold a square up in it. Like this. And with the scissors, cut it. After cutting, you need to draw a hard kind of shape. Like this.
I'm done cutting my lips.
And then you have to do the same thing with the other hand or paw.
See my lips? Now.
So, when you're done drawing them, you have to cut.
I'm all done. I drew a rectangle so I can type the letters. You need a grown-up's help to cut the rectangle. After cutting rectangle, it should look like this. I cut a strip in different kind of color paper. I cut the heart in golden paper. And I even cut it in the middle. Now I'm going to glue them.
After you cut the hands, it should look like this. And here's how you make it hug. Ta-da! It's hugging! I am going to draw the head, ears, and legs. I'm done drawing all of the shapes. Now I'm going to cut them.
I'm done already putting onto the strip. Now I'm going to put it onto the lips.
After you cut all the pieces, they should look like this. So, with the glue, I'm going to attach these pink pieces onto my small brown pieces.
I am done. Now I'm going to add this white strip.
I am done with drawing a nose. I will add decorations on the legs and arms to make it more realistic. I attached all these and I added these decorations. I drew this nose and I stick these eyes. So here's how it looks. Side of this bear, I am going to write a message for my dad.
I am going to write the message. Now I'm going to add the strip.
I am all done writing my message. Here it is.
I'm going to show you how it will be in the inside when you open it. See? It says, I love you, Mom. I'm going to close it. Pull.
It says, I love you, Dad. If you like this video, please like, share